explore you through these things, so that you yourself must go and see their websites. Always try to nurture that particular dream in your mind. Always try to revisit your dream through these websites. Always try to know the changes which have been happening or occurring day by day, right? So that is very important. Fine. So that is the reason why I was showing you some of the pictures. But there are some of those students who don't like that one. So unnecessarily they are writing. That's the reason I have decided I will not show you any kind of thing on that particular screen.
Yes, sir.
So whatever yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have doubt, sir, that sir, in India there are three fields: that Army, Navy, and Air Force. So India will
Mhm.
choice. India gives us the choices to join in which field. Then it is based on me. Means it based on us to choose the field.
NDA will not give you the choice. It is completely depending on your performance during that 2.5 years training. Sorry, 3.5 years
Okay,
training.
sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So in first 2.5 years,
sir.
how you perform, depending on that, there is a merit list. And that merit list will place you in either of the forces. And then
Okay, sir.
accordingly,
So
okay, anything
Hello,
else?
sir.
Huh.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. That training in Naval Academy and in
Hello.
Navy. Sir, what is the
Which one?
sir in Naval Academy we are trained for Navy, and in ND also we are trained for Navy. Sir, what is the difference between that?
Okay, what I said here, you will be having a common training, right? For first 2.5 years. I will be having alternate years at NDA for training Naval Academy if you are entering into Navy. Now see at NDA, do you have any ship or do you have different kinds of ships? So it is not possible every time,
Yes, sir.
right? And for that purpose, you will be still having further training. If you consider this one, so each and every aircraft is not available at the Karakwasla, right? But at IAF Academy, each and every aircraft is there. In fact, this is the institute wherein every staff of Air Force, that means ground staff, technical staff, and pilots. So all these are getting the training at IAF, right? So that particular case you can consider. That is the reason why you will be further having training from this one. Same case is also for IMA, right? So this is not a wholesale institute wherein you go as a raw material and come as an commissioned officer. Never. Right. So here you will be going there as raw material and coming out as a gentleman cadet, and that gentleman cadet will be molded into lieutenant, then flying officer, and the sub lieutenant through these different trainings. Right. So that's it.
Excuse me, sir. I have a
Thank you,
Anything
sir.
else? Okay. Anything else?
Hello, sir.
no, sir.
टॉयलेट से
Hello, sir.
Okay. Yes.
नेट जॉब
Sir, what are the vacancies available
Vacancies for what?
in NDA?
There are a huge number of vacancies. Do you know how many? Now I think this particular session's exam 9th of September. I'm not it is on the September. There might be possibility it may get postponed, right? But already declared date is September 2020. So you can have so many different vacancies. How many? I think more than 4,400.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
always keep in mind, for yourself, you require only one vacancy, right? So you should not worry about whether there is second vacancy or third vacancy. No. How many you require? If I want to enter into these institutes, I will be requiring only one vacancy. If one is there, then I have to fight it. Right? So that kind of judgment you must have. That is the reason why I was showing you that particular slides. I know It doesn't help out for everyone, but I also know it might be nurturing your dreams, and it might be motivating you so that you will get self-motivated and try to become smart and smart day by day, and obviously till the day rise of entering that particular institute, you will be groomed. Still, there are some institutes, but I will be terminating today or making this session end at this particular point. Tomorrow, I'll be going with the remaining institutes, right? So that I may come up with another idea so that I can show you the particular institutes and also this particular thing. So both simultaneously without uh, sharing. Whenever I think I share something on screen, you cannot see whatever I'm writing here, but we'll try out what I can do for both simultaneously.
Excuse me, sir, I had a doubt.
Yes.
So you said that when we are in NDA, which forces we have to join, it completely depends upon our performance.
Performance.
So which force is there for the high performers and which force is there for the average?
No average is considered. Always keep in mind performance is always the high performance is expected, but preferentially if you are having excellent, extraordinary, then you will be always placed for the Indian Air Force, provided
Okay. Yes, sir.
provided physically you are suitable, eligible.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir,
And then
Thank you, sir.
Navy and then Air Force. Still, that doesn't mean that you have scored highest, and then you still you want to enter into army. So that is your choice.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Okay, thank you, sir.
sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, NDA reject person when performance is not good.
Always keep in mind those who are entering into NDA, they have to have the good performance. Only thing is that, as I said, as there are 31 different extracurricular activities, so you might not be good in horse riding, but you might be good in another kind of sport. As like you might not be good in the social sciences, but you might be good in science and technology. So vice versa. So that can happen, but always keep in mind that is the reason, right? That what I wanted you to inculcate. That is purposefully I have used one word, culturate. Not only professional training, but also to inculcate or to culturate the things which are essential. So you have no scope to think about or to go for average performance or below average. So you have to have a good performance, and it is always happening there, right? So that environment and that particular what I can say buddies and the atmosphere will never let you do the idle kind of things. So you will be always active. You will always becoming smarter and smarter. So no scope for better performance or the performance so that you will be rejected. That case will never happen unless and until physically unfit. Okay, anything else?
No, sir, thank you.
Okay. If finished, then I will stop here. Tomorrow again we will go through the remaining institutes.
Yes, sir.
So that
Thank you,
you can get as much as detail about these 3 academies, and 2 more academies are there.
Yes,
That
sir.
will be so that 3 plus 3 plus 2 will be your actually entering academies and other institutes, which will be always telling you about the glory, why we are number 2 in the world and why we are number 4th in the world. Upgrade self to be the one, and how we can of patients we execute the different programs. So say goodbye. tomorrow we will meet with the remaining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Sir, tomorrow this time.
सर्वात भारी सर्वात बोर आहे तुमचे सर्वात जास्त कमेंट झालाच
Thank you, sir.
चर्चेకి वाला पण असतो
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm leaving the meeting. Fine.
Thank you, sir. उभं राहिलं हम्म 570 आसपास